You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey everyone, it's Dustin at Merritt Ford in Carlisle here, just showing you off a new 25 F-150 with the STX package, which gives you a great sport appearance package. And yeah, a couple cool things. This one is in a great color, I think, marsh gray, newish color, don't see it very often. And then with the STX, you get that nice metal bumper. The rims on the STX are a little bit sportier, so you get an 18-inch kind of like that, and then you get lots of black decal packages with your running boards and stuff like that. Again, love how this color is popping today. Looks great, looks better in person. Come on and see it. And then in the back, you know, you got all this stuff. You know, you still got your tow package, you got your wiring. We're gonna just keep going around the vehicle here. FX4 package on it, and then yeah, same thing. You got the symmetrical sides, believe it or not. Both sides match. It's amazing. Is it in my pocket? Oh, I do have a key, Katie. Okay. So STX on the interior, again, we're really trying to get that sporty look. So you got these really nice black cloth seats with kind of this little sportive package, and then it's got a little bit tougher cloth seats, which is nice. Your opening here, which is nice. This one also has the mobile office package. A lot of my customers really appreciate this, having the room here for whatever laptop, whatever you might want to use. So again, you've got your huge screen in it, everything like that. This one has FordPass Connect. Start it with your phone from anywhere, Mexico, anywhere. It's awesome. And in the back seat of the F-150, I think everyone knows it by now. It's been for a while. Best back seat in the business. Got lots of room. Got your flat storage. Got your USB. I just can't say enough about these. What were you pointing down at? Mats. Oh, Katie says there's rubber floor mats too. So if you're in the market for a new truck, come to Merritt Ford. The best deals, the best customer service, the best all-around experience at Carlisle Highway 9, or give us a call, 306-453-4444.